MDaemon Webmail users have more ways to share documents with others. In MDaemon 24, we introduced document links. Document links allow MDaemon Webmail users to create temporary links to specific files contained in their personal documents folder. These links can be shared with anyone and by default are removed after 30 days. MDaemon administrators can enable temporary document links for a user by navigating to the account via Account Manager and clicking on the Settings menu in the Account Editor. And then simply check the box indicating that the account is allowed to share temporary links to personal documents. Once enabled by the administrator, MDaemon Webmail users can follow these steps to create temporary document links. First, log into MDaemon Webmail using the Pro theme, and then navigate to the Documents folder. Next, hover your mouse over the document and click on the link icon as shown here. Then click on Create Link. You can then copy this link to the clipboard and share it with others until it expires in 30 days. Click on the Refresh Link button to replace the existing link with a new one. This will invalidate the previous link. You can also delete document links at any time. Administrators can view and revoke document links created by users. To view these links at the global level in MDaemon Remote Administration, simply navigate to Webmail Settings under the main navigation menu. Scroll down and click this button to view document links. From here, you can click on the link URL to view the document, or click on the file name to highlight it, and then simply click this button to revoke the link. You can also view and revoke documents via the Domain Manager by selecting a domain and clicking on Webmail Settings. If you scroll down slightly, you'll find the Document Links button here. And you can revoke document links for an individual user via the Settings menu in the Account Editor. Temporary document links were added in MDaemon 24. Visit mdaemon.com to download your free trial.